Hello friends, welcome to the 5th episode of 10 in 1 from Borix Materia Medica, cherry picked by Friend of Health. We have covered 40 medicines in the previous 4 episodes. For those who missed the 4 episodes, they can watch them in the playlist in the channel Friend of Health in YouTube. Has a selective action on brain and nervous system, favorably influencing their nutritive function. Nervous exhaustion, sexual debility, and the morphine habit call for this remedy in rather material dose. Best tonic for debility after exhausting diseases. Nerve tremors of the aged, chorea, paralysis agitans, epilepsy. Sleeplessness, especially of alcoholics. Avena sativa, common oat. Enlargement of the uterus, fibrous growths, subinvolution and prolapse. Hot spot on top of head. Fibroids with bearing down sensation, cramping in feet, worse in afternoon and night. Tenderness in left inguinal region, bearing down pain, extending down thigh. Watery, unirritating leukorrhea. Fraxinus americana, white ash. The principal uses of this remedy are for eczema in childhood and nocturnal emission accompanied by very vivid dreams. Eczema of scalp with swollen glands. Urine copious, disagreeable, cat-like odor. Impetigo, intolerable itching. Eruptions particularly of face and head, with burning, itching, worse at night. Thick scabs which crack and exude a tenacious yellow pus. Eczema impetigonoids of the face. Viola tricolor, pansy. Neurasthenia regulates the circulation, is tonic and antidiuretic, regulates cardiac rhythm and acts diuretically. The remedy for drinking habit. It promotes the appetite and digestion and lessens the craving for liquor. Gives power to endure prolonged physical exertion without taking food and without feeling fatigued. Sterculia, cola nut. Suitable after too much medicine has been taken. A remedy of first importance in chronic nasal catarrh with atrophy, large offensive crusts and clinkers. Ozena, loss of sense of smell. Strengthens brain after delirium tremens. Nose, mucus polypus, chronic catarrh, discharge of large irregular clinkers, foul breath, crawling in nostrils with lacrimation and sneezing. Itching of anus and constant irritation in the evening in bed. Ascarides with nightly restlessness, crawling in rectum after stool. Affection of fingertips and joints of toes, tearing pains in arms and legs, pain in toenails as if they had grown into flesh, suppurating grooves in the nails. Teucrium marum verum, cat time. Is a powerful antiseptic and destructive to low forms of life, a stimulating expectorant and an efficient diaphoretic. A remedy with marked effects on catarrhal processes, malaria and intestinal disturbance. Influenza, fevers of a relapsing character, typhoid. Nose, stuffed up sensation, thin watery coryza. Nose does not stop running, tightness across bridge, chronic catarrhal purulent and fetid discharge, ethmoid and frontal sinus involved. Slow digestion, malignant disease of stomach with vomiting of blood and sore fluid. Acute nephritis complicating influenza, burning and tenesmus, catarrh of bladder, diuresis, urethral caruncle. Continued and typhoid fevers, scarlet fever, protective and curative. Discharges show a tendency to foulness, high temperature, accelerated but not strong pulse. Eucalyptus globulus, blue gum tree. A remedy of great antiseptic powers. Specific action in panericium. Pain in the fingernails with swelling of the phalanges. Hastens suppuration and shortens its duration. Often does away with use of the knife. Acts more powerfully than heparin and silica. Myristica sebifera, Brazilian ucuba. This remedy seems to possess a specific relation to the spleen, a left-sided remedy generally. Anemic patients where liver and spleen are at fault. Marked blood pressure, reducing powers. Active hemostatic, materially reducing the clotting of blood. Leukemia. Enormous enlargement of the spleen, splenitis, pain all up the left side, unable to lie on left side. Urine, constant urging to urinate. Green, frothy, contains bile, sugar. Locally as hair tonic. Ceanothus americanus, New Jersey tea. A nerve sedative. Insomnia due to worry, nervous excitement, spasmodic coughs, pain of irregular menstruation, regulates the flow. Neuralgic and spasmodic affections. See the relationship part of Xanthoxylum fraxineum for reading about the remedy in Borix Materia Medica. Pisidia, white dogwood. Highly efficacious medicine for acute catarrhal conditions of the respiratory tract. Lacrimation with coryza, profuse, fluent with constant sneezing, loss of smell and taste, coryza with cough. Paroxysmal cough with suffocative obstruction of respiration, cough with sneezing. Tightness across chest, asthmatic attacks, cannot endure a close warm room, whooping cough. Dry cough from sternal region all over chest, hoarseness, larynx painful. Justitia adatoda, an Indian shrub, Sinki.